Ugh. Such a nice, relaxing 4th of July. No pool parties, no fireworks, only the birds and me. Hey, Luigi. Ugh. What is it, Mario? And what's with the hat? Oh, glad you asked. Well, I got a special 4th of July treat I gotta show you. I'm not interested, Mario. You mind just showing Yoshi or someone else? No, come here. Oof. Ugh, why'd you have to throw us, Mario? Oh my god, what is this? What is this, Mario? What is this? Well, you know how they banned fireworks in our area? Well, I decided to not listen, and I bought this guy from a guy behind Walgreens. So we're gonna launch this? Oh, 1 second, Luigi. Well, I asked, and the guy said you can launch people on this if you wanted to. The answer is no, Mario. The answer is no. I'm not gonna strap myself to this probably illegal firework and then get launched into space and die. Well, I mean, done. You can wake up now, Luigi. Mario. You know what? Just launch me. I don't even care to argue right now. Okay, thanks, Luigi. Happy 4th of July. I'm just gonna. Listen, bro, I'm gonna beat your ass, and I ain't even got no arms, bro. My controller off, okay? I'm gonna beat your ass as Robin in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, okay? Hey, take it easy, bro. I didn't mean to, offend you. Listen, Bowser, let's not get too up in arms. I just want a raise, okay? Yeah, right. Like, you're ever gonna get a raise, okay? I should burn you alive for even asking that, okay? You little pipsqueak, I'm gonna beat you. I didn't mean behind you, Bowser. Behind? Sorry, Bowser. That blasted Mario, bro. Oh, crap. Bruh. I thought the firework exploded. Why am I,